Happy Valentine's Day! So you may have received a beautiful bouquet of roses and foliage from Northside Flower Market. I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to get the best life out of your bouquet. So, first things first is a clean vase. Make sure you've got a really strong, thick, heavy vase and it is clean, clean, clean. So I usually fill about a third, just normal tap water, not warm, not cold, like so. Okay, now your flowers will be in their own water source. They will come with water in a water bag or a water bubble. So this needs to be snipped over the sink so all the water goes down the sink and not all over the place. Snip the cellophane in a couple of places and woo, there it all goes. Okay, excellent. Now I need to wet it fairly quickly because the flowers are now officially out of water. So, with some good scissors, good sharp secateurs, remove the packaging gently, and on the back, gently just cut the tape away. And the reason that we cut all the packaging away is the flowers don't need it in the vase, but it is important for flowers to be protected when they're being delivered. So, we have now got our bouquet ready to go. It is a hand-tied bouquet, so it will be tied. The next job is to give it a little snip on the edge of each rose. I always cut on an angle. The reason you're cutting on an angle is to give more surface area to each stem. And just quickly, only a little bit, a centimetre is completely fine. We're just refreshing those stems so that they get all of that new water straight up. Whew, some of these stems can be a little tough, but that's okay. And into the vase. So, do we have enough water in that vase? No. Move the vase across, lift the bouquet out. Beautiful. Okay, now, flowers respire. And what that means is the water will come up through the stems and out through the petals. So how do we stop that process? We can't. But what we need to do is lightly mist our roses, these from the cheap shop, just all over, and that's going to help maintain the moisture in the stem and in the roses. So a gentle top up on the water each day with tap water is completely fine. There's not very much left in there. Clean stems, clean vase, quick snip, keep them cool and keep them misted and enjoy.